Hello and welcome to the Express Trend Demo Day. So today I will going to show the AI technology use case in the industrial use. For the industrial use, nowadays we are using the quite normal convention way like the PLC to control the movement. So there is some of the limitation inside. Because this is the limitation, we are having some problem like very hard to move according to the objects. So we introduce the AI technology like the AI object detections and the 3D depth camera, so we can solve some of the very complicated situation, like say, for example, I will show by the demo. So how we can achieve this? We are using the 3D depth sensor from the Intel, and we combination of the movement control, then we can do and use the technology in the industry. So we can use this to improve our productions, because we can get the product in a 3D positioning, so we can rotate the thing in very fast pace, instead of we need to control the lighting and we need to control compared to the conventional technology. So as you can see, this is the advancement on a modular level, and when we combination of the AI technology, as you can see here,